Hi.
Hi. Are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way.
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning together.
Hello, guys, and welcome back to this amazing channel, Geeks for Geeks. This is Abhinav, working as a DSA mentor at Geeks for Geeks. I'm a five-star code chef, a expert code forces, and a ICPC regionalist. Welcome back to another session of mock live DSA. In this particular mock live DSA sessions, if you also want to come here with us, you can fill the form given in the description box. Also, be updated with the winter which is going on, and at from 7 p.m. we have a live with Nissan Seherbia on the DSA roadmap. So be remember and join that too. So let's start with this particular session. Let me add Mansi in the stream. Hi Mansi, am I audible? Hello. Hello Mansi, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. So Mansi, please give your introduction. Tell us something about you.
Okay, so my name is Hello everyone, and hello sir. My name is Mansi Garg. I'm pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Banasali Vidyapeeth. Currently, I'm in third year, and I like to solve DSA-based problems. And currently, I have been working on various projects, and I have recently participated in various hackathons like Hack CBS VC Innovation, in which I won VC Innovation, and I'm an upcoming ST Internet JPMC. That's all.
Great, great, Mansi. So let's start with the DSC session. Okay. So I have shared a seat with you in the private chat.
Okay.
Can you please open that and share your screen? Also, please
Yeah,
off
okay.
any notifications if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I hope it is visible.
Yeah, it is. Please open that seat, that tab. Yeah, okay. So let's start with the first problem. Okay. So
Okay.
the first problem is that let's say you are given with an array. Okay, so you are given with an array, and the problem statement is very easy, very clear, that you have to find the max and second max element, the maximum and the second maximum element for that particular array. So if we will take example,
Okay.
let's say that our array is simply 2, 3, 1, 5, 5, 6, 3. So
Okay.
the maximum element here is 6, and the second maximum element is 5. So
Okay.
this is the problem. Is it clear?
Yeah, it is. So
Yeah.
we can do this question by using a brute force approach, like by using simple two loops, in which I'll take two variables a and b for first maximum and second maximum, and I'll check if first variable is not equals to means the first like I will check for a first element which is maximum, and then I will check for the second element, like if it's smaller than that, then I will make it a second maximum element.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
And
So what can you please tell me the
and
complexity for this particular approach?
for this it will be N square, because we are moving on two loops.
Okay.
For each I we will move for a complete array.
Okay. Fine. Got it.
And
So can we solve it in a more efficient way, more optimized way?
yeah, yeah, we can use a
In
data
means
structure. We
yes.
can use a data structure here like priority queue, max priority queue, and we will just push all the elements in that, and from that we can
Okay.
find first and second greater element.
Okay. So means using that priority queue, what will be the time and space complexity?
It will be for inserting all the elements. It will be log n, and then
Okay.
yeah, it will be n for complete. It will be n
It
because we
will
are
be n.
iterating once in a whole loop.
Okay. So n for iterating and for inserting in the priority queue, what will be the complexity?
Like n for iterating a complete array and log n for
Okay.
inserting, total n log n.
And login. Okay. Okay. So can you
Yeah.
please implement that in just like a pseudo code or anything? That particular approach?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, I have declared a priority queue, max priority
Okay.
queue, named
Yeah.
queue, and now I'm just iterating for a complete array, and now I'm pushing all the elements to the priority queue. So our second largest element will be the top element in the priority queue. First max element will be q dot topmost, and then we will pop first element from the queue. Then the second one will be the next second maximum element.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seems good. Seems good. But yeah, there's a corner case for this particular approach. Let's say that the input
Yeah.
given to use, I'm just writing the input below. The input is like this: 2, 3, and 3. Okay. So for
Okay.
this, if this is the array, so your answer, I think what your approach will give will be 3 and 3. Means 3 is the maximum, 3 is the second maximum. Okay. But answer
Yeah.
should be
Correct.
2 and
2
3.
and 3.
Yeah.
Okay. So for that, I think I should use a set. Then it will contain the unique elements, and from first, or
Yeah, so we can use set because set basically doesn't take duplicate elements. It discards the
yeah,
duplicate element, and then we can take the last two of that. That will be just similar to this
yeah, yeah,
approach.
yeah. Or we can also maintain a map here. Like I'll just increment the frequency. I'll check if that particular element has one frequency, then only I will insert. Otherwise, I will not insert in a queue.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Should I
Got
implement
it.
it?
Got it. Yeah, please.
Then I
Okay.
will only push it.
Yeah, now I think it seems good. Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
So, can you please write the complexity analysis of this code which you have written at the time and space?
Okay. So the time complexity, it will be n for iterating and for log n inserting into a queue. Total it will be n log n.
Okay, fine. And the space?
It will be on for q and on for ordered map. Total it will be an on.
Oh, an order of n. Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine. So, yeah, so we have discussed the time complexity with n log n and space so often. Can we optimize it more using another algorithm or anything? Can we optimize this thing to, we can say, linear time or constant space? If we can, you can think of it.
Okay.
Because if we have to just find the maximum element, then what we should do?
Yeah, we can using two pointers. Like I'll take using two variable and single intuition.
Yeah.
Like if initially I'll take maximum element int max for both, sorry, int mean for both. Then I'll just start iterating. I'll find 2. So I will change the greater element by 2. If the next element
Okay.
is greater than, matlab not equals to the greater element which we found earlier, then I will change it to
Hmm.
3 and the second greater element will be 2.
Okay. Okay. Can we write a
And now,
pseudocode for it or implement it?
yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Package 3. So I'm taking a 2 variable int m1 max element first, initializing with int main value,
Okay.
and maximum element 2, initializing and again with int minimum value. And now int has to from 0 we dot size. I just I plus if error of I is greater than m1, then our second largest element become m2 become error of I, sorry, m1, and m1 become error of I. Yeah, now I will simply print it.
Okay. I got it. I got it. Yeah. Okay. So, the first condition is for the ARR means the current element should be greater than the maximum element. So we are
Yeah.
it's maximum or is it's maximum. Okay. So then you are making
If
second maximum is equal to maximum, and then maximum is equal to that element. Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
uh, like if
Uh,
I'll run this example 2 3 1
okay.
5 5 6 3,
Yeah. Please.
like 2 3 1 5 5 6 3. So initially mx1 is int min and mx2 is int min. Then it start iterating. So AR of I is 2 at I equals to 0. I equals to 0. AR of I is AR of 0 is 2. So which is greater than m1. So our mx2 will be int min and our mx1 will be 2. For second time, when I will become 1, so error of 1 is 3, which is again greater than mx1. So our mx2 will be 2 and mx1 will be 3. If I equals to, then I will increment by 1, so it will become 2. So error of I will equals to 1, and now the condition will become false because error of I is not greater than m1, because m1 has mx1 is 3 and error of I is 1. So this condition will become false. Now it will again increment its value by 1, so I will become 3. So error of I is 5 now, and 5 is greater than mx1. 5 is greater than 3. So mx1 will become 5, and mx2 will become 3. Then
Okay.
again,
Yeah.
I incremented, so it will
Yeah.
again,
Seems
like
good.
similarly,
Got
it
it.
will, yeah.
Yeah, got it. Seems good. So, can we have another corner case, which is 6 and 5? You have an array of two elements, 6 and 5. Can you please write in for
Okay,
that? Yeah.
6 and 5. Okay, so 6 is greater than, okay, in that case. Okay. So in that case, I think we should also iterate once before that, and mx should be initialized with maximum element, and mx2 will be initialized with smallest element.
Okay. Okay. So we are making condition when the given element is can you please let me erase it. So if I will just erase these diagram, okay, that's not needed. So yeah, we have 6 and 5. Okay. So currently we have this first condition. Okay, this is what we have. So condition is that if that current element is greater than the maximum element. What if the current element is not greater than maximum, but greater than second maximum?
Okay, so I can put a condition here. If error of I mx2 से greater होगा and smaller होना चाहिए mx1 से. एंड जो हमारे पास करंट mx1 का वैल्यू उससे भी बड़ा होना चाहिए, लाइक उससे भी ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. सो I'll put one more condition. Oh, just a second. mx1 is greater than error of I. Okay. mx2 say. Okay, all right. Then mx2 will be error of I.
Yeah.
I think it will work.
Yeah. Seems good. Okay. So please run this thing for the 6 and 5. This algorithm. Diagram for it.
Okay. Yeah. So firstly, m1 will be initially int min, and m2 will also be int min. So when I will equals to 0, so AR of I is greater than mx1. So mx2 remain int min, and mx1 become 6. For I equals to 1, so this condition will become false because error of I is not greater than mx1, because error of I is 5. So it will go in this condition. Here mx2 is int min, so it is greater than int min. Error of I is greater than mx2, and it is smaller than mx1. So mx2 will become 5 and mx1 remain 6. So that will be the output.
Okay. Yeah. Seems good. Yeah. Fine. So yeah, the time and space for this particular approach.
So the time complexity is it's 1 because we are only iterating it once, and space complexity is constant because we are only using the variables.
Okay. Yeah. Great. So seems good. Now let's move towards the next problem. Fine. Just scroll to the next page. Yeah, here's it. So it's a string problem. We are given the string S, and we have to reverse the string without reversing its individual words. Words are separated by dots. So if you will
Okay.
see, you have to just reverse the words. Means I like this program very much. Much very program this like I. This is how you have to reverse it.
Okay.
Means the I was firstly at the first was the first word. Now it is the last word. Like was the second word. Now
Yeah.
it is the last second word. This is how you have to do it.
Okay. Okay. So I think I should iterate from the last, like
Okay.
HCUM. Then I'll just, whenever I got a dot, I just revert the word, that particular word, and then add into my new sentence.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
Seems good.
Um, yeah.
Can you just do a sort dry run for it? A sort dry run means how the words will be
Like it
extracted.
was.
I just wanted to know how the words will be extracted and then made in reverse order. I just
Okay.
wanted to know
So
that.
when I start iterating from the last, so it will like iterate like HCUM. Then
Okay.
it will get a dot. So whenever I got a dot, I will just reverse this word. So it will become MUCH. And this
Okay.
word I will add into my sentence like MUCH plus dot. Then again it and whenever I will add it into a sentence and reinitialize that particular word with empty string. Again I will do
Okay.
the same process for very program and like
Yeah. Yeah. Seems good. Okay.
yeah.
Let's implement it using a pseudocode.
Okay. So I'm taking a word, initializing with it empty. And now I'm just iterating with the string for int I start from 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. So and for answer I am taking one more string answer, which is also empty. So if s of I is equals to dot, then what I'll do, I'll just reverse my word. Reverse word.
So you are iterating from the start, I think.
What?
You are starting from the start of the arena from I is equal to 0 till S length.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not that's fine.
Begin. Yeah. Word dot end. And I will just add that particular word into my answer with a single dot. else what I'll do, I'll just add that particular word into my, I'll just add particular character into my word. So I think it will work. See out reverse string. Yeah, I think done.
Okay, yeah, seems good. You're taking int word. Uh,
Oops.
yeah, fine. So
Yeah.
yeah, it seems good. So what will be the time complexity for this one?
Time complexity, like I'm just iterating a complete string, so it will be time complexity will be n, order of n, and order of n, and space complexity will be constant.
Okay, okay. But you are also reversing the word, so this reversing is taking any time.
Reversing. Yeah, I think it will take.
Yeah. So what will be the total time that reverse function will take? Or can we do it without reversing? Because you are iterating from back and then reversing the words. Can we do it without reversing the word
Okay.
to basically save that time of reversing?
Yeah, correct. Like what we can do, like I can add the answer at last, like the word that I got will add into our last. Like I think it's network issue.
No, yeah, you're audible. Yeah.
No, I'm not able to write on a sheet.
Mm, okay.
Just a second, it's loading.
Okay. No worries.
So I think I can start with 0. And whenever I will got dot, I'll just answer equals to word plus dot answer.
Your screen is, I think.
Uh, is it visible?
No. I think there's a network issue. Can you please unshare and share it again? Please
Okay.
unshare and share it again. Yeah. Yeah, just share it again. No worries.
I think is it visible?
Yeah. Just open the sheet.
Yeah. Is it?
Mm, no, the screen is not
Is it
visible.
visible?
No.
Not visible. Now?
Yeah. It's
Is
taking
it?
time to load. No, it's taking time to load. Let me just check.
Just a second. I need to.
Yeah. Please take your time. No worries.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, no worries. I think there was a network issue. No worries. So till then, let's have some talk. Also, guys, don't forget to join the live with Nishant Bhaiya at 7 p.m. for DSA roadmap. Okay, that is going to be very amazing. Am I audible to you all? Please at least respond, yaar. Am I audible? Oh, great. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah, I think there was a network issue. We will just back. ये क्यों कैसे होगा ये क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा Yeah. Okay, guys. Good evening. Good evening. So how's it's going? How things are going? How to talk to you? You can talk to me here. We can. Yeah. I don't think stack is necessary, Aryan. Okay. Stack is not necessary. We can solve it in order of one space complexity only. Yeah. Loop through a string, exact to the word, and append to the. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. I think we are back. Yeah. Hello, Ansi. Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You too.
So I'm sorry for the disturbance actually. There are some network issue.
No worries. Uh, can you please again type again share the screen?
Yeah, I'm presenting.
Yeah.
Is it visible?
Let me. Yeah. Now it's great.
Okay, so I was saying like we can also do it by iterating from starting. Like
Okay.
I will start iterating from 0 till I get an s dot length I plus plus. Then here what I'll do, I will not reverse it. Answer equals to word plus dot plus answer. And
Okay.
else it will be simply word plus I and then I will print it. Yeah. Like if there's a sentence I dot like dot to code. So
I think
what
we can code it
we
in the practice portal only. I'm just sharing the link with you of the problem.
okay.
Can we code in the
Okay.
practice platform? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just adding the link in the sheet itself, just
Okay.
below. Yeah. Please check that. Yeah. Here it is. Mm. Okay, login. I have removed your screen. You can.
No, it's all right.
Okay.
Done. Like I initialize a string with answer. Initially it is empty and a word which is also empty. So I'll start to iterate from the 0 and I'll start from 0 I greater than s dot length I plus plus. So what I'll do if I'll get a dot s of I equal dot, then what I'll do, I'll just answer equals to word plus dot plus answer. Yeah. else it will be word plus equals to s of I, and here I will again initialize the void with empty string. So
Okay.
if I take this I, okay, at last it will I, not dot here,
It will give you extra dot, I think.
yeah, it will give extra dot.
You can
I
just
dot.
remove it at the last before returning the answer. You can just remove that.
Yeah, I think it should add here.
Okay.
And at last I need to pop the extra dot from the last. I think, oops, it should be capital S. Okay. Like for the last thing, I need to add it into answer.
Hello. Okay, I think this network issue again. Okay. So guys, if you guys also want to be the part of these mock live interviews, so you can fill out the form in the description box and you can get a chance to come here with our mentors and participate in a live mock interview. So how's the thing going, guys? How things are going? Exams, coding, fun? Yeah, what can be the efficient approach for this problem? What was the second question? The second question was itself reverse words in a given string. Yeah. So what can be the efficient approach for it, for this particular problem, if we have to solve it? Yeah. Hello.
Sorry, I don't know.
Yeah. No worries. I think it was done.
Yeah, I think it should.
Yeah. You can.
Should I submit it?
Yeah. You can first share the screen. Also present it, please. Then.
Oops. Okay. I think I have done this.
Yeah. It's great.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. So at the last, just I think the space and time will be same because here we don't have that reverse function. By the way,
Yeah.
if I will say that reverse function will also will not affect the time
Take.
complexity because if you will see that that reverse function will in total will run for just order of n times. Means it is just reversing the words. So order of n plus
Yeah.
order of n, order of 2n, that will be order of n itself. So
Yeah. Correct.
great.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So now you can answer your screen. I have it's fine.
Okay.
So that was it. So let's come towards the next segment, the feedback thing. So from my side, the feedback is the first thing. Let me just give me 2 minutes. Let me write the feedback in the sheet itself.
Okay.
Okay, so I have written the feedback there. You can share the screen if you want. The viewers can also see it in the next page.
Okay.
Yeah.
On this you have written?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So for the coding part, I can say in the first problem, the next approach which we have basically told like you have to take 2 pointers, the maximum and the second maximum. That was the most
Yeah.
efficient approach, I think. Yeah, and that priority
Okay.
queue and that map was a little bit complex, and that complex was not required. Okay, I hope now you have got
Yeah.
that thing. Yeah, and that
Yeah.
taking two variables like max and max, second max was the best way for that particular problem, and it was a simple,
Okay.
I think, only based on just one iteration. The second, but
Yeah.
yeah, really, how you have implemented that was really good because obviously that priority queue and the map implementation was quite complex, but yeah, you have implemented in a good way. That is why good for the implementation case. If we talk about the
Yes,
communication
sir.
part, the communication was also good. Means, but I will recommend to just. By the way, you were just telling all the things, whatever you are writing in the sheet, you have to communicate with the
Yeah.
interview that yeah, whatever you are writing, each and every line, so that the interview can know, and that is what you were doing too. That was fine from
Yeah.
that side. I will recommend that whenever you are writing code, you have to also check for all the corner cases because that is what you basically lack.
Yeah.
Like in the first one also, you have I have given you 2 extra corner cases which was not covered in the first problem. By the way, in the second
Yeah.
problem,
Correct.
it was correct in the first attempt only. But yeah, for the first case, there were some corner cases which were left from your side. So always consider all the corner cases before writing the code. So while writing sudo code, always consider each and every. That was a feedback from my side. Otherwise, it was good. It was a good experience. The second problem was exactly what I was expecting. Okay, so that was from my side. Anything from your side? You can answer your screen now.
Okay.
You can answer your screen. Yeah. Yeah. Anything from your side?
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for such a great interview.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It was also great experience for me. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching this particular live mock DSA. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Let's meet with you with another live soon in this particular channel, Geeks for Geeks. Also, abhi jana mat yahan se. Abhi after 10 minutes, you will be having a great session by Nishan Seher of DSA roadmap. तो बने रहो 10 मिनट के बाद ही है अगला लाइव. So thank you for watching this particular live. Thank you, Mansi. Thank you very much for coming here.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.